Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fusion Next Gen Learning. If you're first time viewer on my channel, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get latest update from Fusion Next Gen Learning. In today's demonstration, we are going to cover one more business requirement. Let's take an example. If business wants that once order submit and processed and line status moved into awaiting shipping, there's a no more update will be required by the user. So no more actions over there. So you can achieve this kind of requirement in Oracle Fusion by creating the processing constant. How to create the processing constant? I created one video which you can refer. Now in this video also, I'll demonstrate you how I have created the processing constant. So I have created one order for the demo. So let me show you that order. So currently, if you notice that my order, the sales order line status moved into the awaiting shipping. And I have created that no more update to this particular line. So let's take example as a user. I'm trying to create the revision. And by creating the revision, I'm trying to update the or amend the quantity. And if I try to save the record, then it will prompt message that you cannot update. So if you notice that it's reverted to the one quantity, and even though I tried, I cannot process with the order. Even though if you submit the order, it won't be processed. It will show you the confirmation message, but it won't be processed in the Oracle Fusion. Since we have written the processing constant, let me just refresh the version. And once it's moved, and if you notice that all the changes going and still the quantity remains one. It cannot be amended till the processing constant be active. You can create some roles who can update or amend all those particular sales order in order to control the business use case. So those things you can do that. So let me refresh. And if you notice that still my order, even though I processed, I submitted, and you will see the revisions, still my quantity remain one. So there won't be any amendment. Now, what rule I have configured? So let me show you the processing constant. So you have to first create the validation rule set. So I have written the no change. Do not allow update to fulfillment line where status is in awaiting shipping. And then I have configured the attribute name status equal to awaiting shipping. So my processing constant will be triggered for the sales order line if the line status move to the awaiting shipping. And if you notice that the short name you can choose as per your business need, or you can use the naming conventions as per your business. Validation type is stable, and then entity is order fulfillment line. Once you done, you generate the packages. So you can click, you can generate the package, the successful package. Then you come to the constant. Once you come to the constant, so constant name you can use as per your business name, whatever you would like to. Then the display name, that also you can choose. The constant entity order fulfillment line, constant operation is update. Attribute name order quantity. On operation action not allowed. Applicable roles, constant roles, and enabled. And in the condition section, group number. So I have written only one rule associated to my constraint. So that is at the order fulfillment line level. The validation rule set, so which we have created into the first step, I have associated over here. And then scope, any scope, whatever actions. Then the record set is fulfillment line that belongs to same line. So that you have to choose. And then whatever the message you would like to display when this processing constant will be triggered, you can write as per your business need. and you have to make sure that you have enabled. Once you're done, you have to click on the save and then applicable roles. So whether you want that processing constant to be triggered for a specific role, so constant role, all role, or which one is excluded roles. So based on your business need, you can add all those roles and associate it. And once you're done, save it and then click on the generate package. And once it's done successfully, then you try to create and you will see that the system is triggering the processing constant while creating the others. So that is how you can create the processing constant and achieve the business requirement. Thank you. Thank you for watching my channel, Future Next Gen Learning. Keep subscribing, keep watching. Happy learning.